Alright, this is gonna be a video about this crossbow. I mean, it's a top trigger crossbow that I've built like a while ago, and it's also the first functioning crossbow that I've ever built. I've built things that are similar to crossbows before, but they end up being really unsuccessful and they don't really function well. And for a closer look, as you can see that there is a trigger here. Yeah, or maybe you see it like this, maybe make it easier to see for you. This trigger is made from a clip that was originally intended to be used on some kind of pocket knife, and I repurposed it and used some of these hemp rope to tie it to my crossbow. As you can see, there is a groove on it. Yeah, the groove is where I dug it to help the arrow fly straight in a more accurate manner. The centerpiece is made from paracord that I found online. I've cut the paracord to the right length and I've burned the ends, so it doesn't really wear out that quickly. And for the bowstrings, it's made from rubber band that is black, and you can also see that it's a bit asymmetrical. If I stand further backwards, you'd see that one side is shorter and another side is longer. Because of the bag of rubber bands that I've brought, like none of them are in the same size. Some are always a bit longer than the others and some are always a bit shorter. And for the body and the limbs, they're both made from scrap wood, from some kind of pellet wood that was like broken down a long time ago. And to the other side of it, you can see the bow is here. There is another a smaller piece of wood to help it, make it more stable and help it stay in there, so it wedges it like this so it doesn't really fall off. Yeah, and I also added a small piece of leather to help cushion it. Yeah, so let's try this. You load it by just pointing it in at your stomach, just like a Greek belly bow, and pull all the way here to the trigger. Yeah, this crossbow is not meant to be particularly powerful or accurate. It's just meant to be something that is really experimental. Yeah, considering that I don't have much experience on the use and making of crossbows, so it's just some kind of novelty at the end of the day. And you fire it by pushing this trigger with your thumb and stabilizing the bolt with your thumb on the other hand, just like this. Yeah, I'm not sure if you can see this because the lighting is really awkward. Yeah, so let's get started. Try another one. Oh. Thank you for watching.